Incoming radiation converts into photons. Photons cross the universe freely, bouncing between the cosmic microwave background horizons. The photons are converted to mass that form the galaxies with black holes in their centers. To have this loop going, a gravity field covering the entire universe is required. The Higgs boson creates this gravity field. This gravity field has different effect on different particles. Photons are created by the particles and particles, and can cross the universe freely, and are not under the influence of the Higgs boson field. Photon radiation are converted into mass that conglomerate into galaxies, that powers the black holes in their centers. The Higgs boson was found at CERN in 2013 at 125 gigaelectron-volt, between other bosons of 115 and 140 gigaelectron-volt. All subuniverses will stay superposed together, occupying the same space. Masses in the spaces of the 6 subuniverses will not interfere, like photons can cross each other occupying the same space, without adding their gravity. Very different is the behavior of the black hole centers. They are like the mass of the solids, stars, and planets, positioned in the same location, in each subuniverse separately, but unlike them their effects will leak through all the subuniverses, and are adding together. The 6 subuniverses are in COEM. There is no space-time between them. They are separated due to their different vibration cycle shifts. The 6 subuniverses are superposed and lining up by the gravity of their black holes. Because there is no space-time in the black hole's singularities. This could be an explanation why the circular velocity distribution of the outer stars is bigger than expected. This phenomenon is also referred to as dark matter. As I mentioned earlier, our universe is subdivided into 6 subuniverses originating from the 6 sequestered bubbles in COEM. We don't know exactly if there are really only 6 subuniverses. It could be that many more exists, but there must be at least 2, one with the positive and the other with the negative particles. We simply don't know yet. Anyways, the particles and particles that were created out of nothing in the random quantum fluctuation event will now enter the subuniverse volume through their outer edge spherical shell singularity horizon and cosmic microwave background, which can be observed if you are located inside a subuniverse. As the particles or particles cross the outer event horizon, which is the remnant of the singularity, they will convert into the state of an opaque plasma soup. This plasma state will last for a very short Planck time. You see, we have now space and time. The opaque plasma soup will convert now into photons of slightly different temperatures and densities, and leaves behind the typical signature of the cosmic microwave background. Chapter 9. Loop Structure. The higher density photons slow down a little bit and convert into mass, and form the stars. The conglomerated stars will form the galaxies with black holes and singularities in their centers. From the cosmic microwave background, the photons will start their journey across the subuniverse, targeting a black hole. The black holes will form all over the volume of space, like the holes in a Swiss cheese. These black holes are the drainage system of the matter produced inside the space-time volume. The inversion process. What we see here is a subuniverse shown in a two-dimensional plane. Outside the universe's COEM, black holes form in the vacuum from the particle mass of collapsed stars. Inside the black holes is COEM. There are 10 to the 22 of black holes in the universe. We show here only 3 of them. The black holes drain via the first part of Einstein-Rosen bridges into the SIT inversion plane. All the black holes in the inversion plane form one big new horizon separating the COEM from the vacuum. On the inside is vacuum with mass. On the outside of the universe is COEM. This completes the loop that brings us back into the universe. Chapter 10. Expansion. The volume of the black holes will grow if more mass energy enters the subuniverse through the outer edge spherical shell singularity horizon, or shrinks if more mass energy is drained through the black holes then coming in through the outer event horizon. This loop sequence is an important part of the rejuvenating and maintenance cycle of the universe. The inversion process occurring in between the black hole and the cosmic microwave background is resetting the entropy back to zero. The elusive dark matter may be concentrated sixfold from the other subuniverses in the centers or singularities of the black holes. This may be a possible explanation of the anomaly of galaxies' rotating speed. We may now attempt to write the entire thought experiment in one short preliminary universe equation. Singularity equals cosmic microwave background times the dwell time.
Go backwards from the cosmic microwave background. If we would go backwards beyond the cosmic microwave background, we should see the plasma soup and then at the very edge the outer spherical shell singularity. It is the common belief that this outer spherical singularity shell is the remnants of the Big Bang. As I said previously, there is no such thing like one Big Bang, it is rather a continuous random quantum fluctuation events embedded in the inversion point of an endless loop structure. Where is the universe? If a scientist could put himself outside the universe, what would he see? Not the outer shell of the universe, he would see nothing. Ouch! Where is it? It is an invisible quantum point. The entire universe is inside this zero-dimensional timeless and spaceless quantum point, which we refer to in this paper as the outer spherical shell singularity.
Schmidt universe equation. The total energy of the universe is the residual kinetic energy from the black holes, plus or minus the new mass created or lost by the random quantum fluctuation event processes, times the average dwell time during the journey from the cosmic microwave background to the black holes, times the speed of light squared. Chapter 11. Conclusion. Conclusion. Schmidt model of the universe. SID is an acronym for Schmidt inversion theory. The universe has a loop structure. It loops from the black holes to the outer edge spherical shell singularity horizon and cosmic microwave background, and then through the universe, back to the black holes again. Outside boundary is the Hubble radius, or the visible cosmic microwave background horizon, which is a virtual radius. Outside the cosmic microwave background is COEM collapsed emptiness. This loop structure ensures the rejuvenating and maintenance of the universe. This loop is resetting the entropy back to zero. Conclusion. Continuation. Schmidt model of the universe. The subuniverses are entangled. If something is happening in one, then changes are happening in the others. 9. The massive energy is stored in the dwell time procedure of kinetic energy throughout the universe, for up to 13.7 billion years. 10. All black holes are connected to each other without Einstein-Rosen bridges. 11. Black holes grow, inverse, and meld together, COEM, that was inside a black holes are now outside, and the universe's vacuum, with the particles that were outside are now inside the one big black hole horizon encompassing the entire universe. 12. All black holes' event horizons are in a Schmidt inversion plane. 13. The inversion plane enter the 6 subuniverses, through the outer horizon. 14. Possible explanation of the elusive dark matter and dark energy. I am looking forward for many scientific papers to be written on these topics. Warren Schmidt graduated in mechanical engineering at the Zurich University for Applied Science and has spent his career studying the edge of the universe and was looking what the space-time of our universe would change into beyond that edge. His work on COEM could qualify him as a Nobel Prize candidate. Thank you for watching. Warren H.D. Schmidt. info@suchresearch.com. Please enter comments and questions down below or email me at wschmidt@bell.net.